I made $1,200 this week selling cash secured puts and covered calls. This is video number 10 of my weekly series. And every time I make one of these videos, someone always says, bro doesn't talk about cash secured puts. Bro doesn't know about cash secured puts. Let's talk about it. But first, we got to go back in time to last week. Now, last week I had QuantumScape, Enphase, Hims. I had another position in Hims, and I had Oscar Health that I had purchased a week prior. Only Hims got called away, assigned. I am stuck with this one. This is a massive loser. I bought it at $11.47. It's like $8.30 right now. Enphase is now $31. So I got to keep the premium for both of these, the $295, the $466, but I'm sitting on losses on both. Now, Enphase I think will probably come back. QuantumScape, I'm still in a process of deciding should I cut losses or not. Now, somebody asked me, hey, you bought it at $11.47. It's $8.30 now. Could you sell a strike price of $9 and that could erase some of your loss? And the answer is yes, you can. But I looked at the premiums for the $9 strike price and it's like $10 a contract. So I'd make $30 and I'd still be losing a ton of money. So I'm not going to do that. I'll decide what to do as the days go on. This is what I ended up doing this week. Now I have these still on the board because I'm stuck holding them right now. What I ended up doing this week was I bought 300 shares, of SoundHound with a premium of $199. It cost me $3,100 and I made 6.3%. I also still have these shares I purchased it on July 21st. So I didn't spend any money to buy these shares this week. And Oscar Health is still kind of hanging around the 1380s range. So this morning, or this afternoon really, I sold 3 contracts. I made $193. Now the stock was moving a little bit higher this morning. I was at the gym. It was like touching almost 14. And I wanted to see if the premiums could go from 60 cents to like 80 or 90 cents. So I could squeeze out just a little bit more profit. But you remember what I always say, we're not here to make all the money, just some of it. And I said, you know what? I'm holding out for, an extra $10 or $15 per contract. Don't be greedy. I'm going to lock in $193 right now. I sold with a strike of $14 and pocketed the $193. I made about 4.6%. Let's talk about Hims because that's really why we're all here. That's what this series is about. Today is August 4th. I'm filming this video at 2:36 p.m. Their earnings come out today after the markets close. Now, I might be posting this video at 10 o'clock tonight. I might be posting it at 4. I don't know when I'm going to post it. But with Hims, I did something pretty high risk. This is not for beginners. Trading into earnings is extremely volatile. I've been investing for 20 years and trading stocks for 15 years, so I don't mind taking on the risk. Plus, Hims is a company I'm okay owning, unlike QuantumScape where I'm stuck and I'm sitting there going, shit. With Hims, I do believe in the company long term, and I think that they're going to be fine long term. So if I'm stuck with this situation where, the earnings come out and it tanks and I have to buy it at a lower price, hey, it is what it is. I don't mind holding those shares. So what I did today was I sold 3 cash secured puts. Now what this means is the strike price is $57. Now Hims is currently $64.46. So that means that the stock would have to drop dramatically for me to be assigned. So if Hims is $57.01 by this Friday, I don't have to buy the shares. But if Hims is 57 or below, I have to buy the shares at 57. This is one of the risks. It could drop to $42, but I'm required to buy it at 57. Now, I can always buy the option back and sell the shares and take a loss and get out of that situation. But I'm thinking if the earnings are bad, maybe it drops 8, 10, 12%, maybe around this area, then I'll be assigned and I'll have to buy the shares. Now, what this means is I'm not out any money yet, but it will cost me $17,100. So I need to keep $17,000 in my account in the event that Hims hits $57 on Friday, and then I'm going to be assigned and I'm going to be required to buy the shares at 57. So I have to have the money ready. Now the premium you can see was extremely high because like I said, earnings are coming out and probably a lot of people are betting this on the stock not doing well. So I pocketed $814. That is around a 4.7% profit. Because the only position I had to buy this week was SoundHound, I've only spent upfront $3,100, $3,150. I've made $1,206 and I made just under 5% on my money this week. That is because I didn't have to buy Oscar Health and I am not yet required to buy Hims because I sold a cash secured put instead. If you want to learn how to sell a cash secured put, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So now this is HIMS, and you can see that it's just about $64 a share right now. It is $242. And if I thought, hey, I bet HIMS could drop to say $59 on their earnings, I would go right here. This is the put side, and you're going to hit on bid because you are selling the cash secured put. And you're just going to click on it, and you can see you're selling it. It shows that it's red down here on this little thing. You know that is when you are selling the cash secured put because it is the color red. Now it's always going to start you with 10. Let's just say you wanted to sell one cash secured put, and you go right over here and you hit confirm and send. And I'm just going to use my eraser here to cover up my account and all the stuff I don't want you to see. But you can see that I'm selling one cash secured put with a strike price of $59. I'm going to make 305 bucks, and then I'm going to be out $55.95. This, where it says max loss, is what it's going to cost me to buy these shares if it drops to my $59 strike price. It's not showing 59, by the way. It's showing 55 because it's subtracting the premium that you've already earned. So if you add 305, which is the premium you are earning, to $55.95, look what it comes to, $59. So that's how I made $1,200 this week. I will update on Friday or Saturday to let you know what I ended up doing throughout the course of the week.